Alright, this kiln has been holding at a preset temperature of 500 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. You can see that it believes it is 496 degrees inside. So we have an external thermocouple that says it is 280 degrees. The tip of the thermocouple is placed very carefully in the center of the exhaust hole. We have an internal mechanical gauge that reads approximately 275 degrees. I also have a laser thermometer, which I will put directly on the flask. It says it is 228 degrees inside. So hopefully we can use this information to help figure out what is wrong with this kiln. Thank you.